Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I do think this is the end of a wave 3. First of all, I think this is an A, the B, and C correction to this big move down over here. But anyways, I think that we just ended a wave 3, and I think we are very likely now in a very corrective overlapping wave 4, which will probably last 6 to 8 months before it actually goes up and makes another attempt up for the wave 5. I think it's a wave 5 of wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this first move down I think is for sure wave A of wave 4, and I'm still not even really sure that the wave A of 4 is actually complete yet. So taking it down to the daily time frame, it really still hasn't broken any structure to the upside, which is why I'm still thinking that we are going to very likely have another attempt on the downtrend to complete this wave A of wave 4. So let's keep that going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, I have this marked as an ABC correction, but to be honest with you, it kind of almost seems like we possibly are actually in a wave B right now, and possibly it's going to go up again for a C before it actually goes down. Now, we need to keep this scenario in our back pocket just in case it does play out this way. But I have it labeled as an ABC still because I am keeping an eye for a lower high. I'm keeping an eye for an engulfing down because if that does happen, I will definitely stay short, hold on to my shorts, and I will be more confident about this going down to make another attempt on the downtrend. Probably a 3, 4, and 5 of wave A of wave 4 on the much higher time frames. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it right to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. It definitely did respect the fib level, making a pulse move down. It has not broken structure to the downside. Once it does do that, I think I'll have way more confidence about this being in a downtrend for wave 5. Until that actually happens, be careful because if it makes a higher low, engulfing up, then the other scenario that I was just explaining on the 4 hour time frame of this going up and taking out these highs definitely could play out. So keep in mind, as long as you follow structure, pay attention to your highs and lows, you should be trading in the right direction. Just keep in mind that this possibly could pop up again, take out these highs, stop everybody out that tried to go short right here, and then end up continuing the downtrend. Either way, just follow your structure, follow price, and you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.